Craving adventure? Want to break free from the ordinary and explore the unknown? Meet the Explorer, an archetype that inspires freedom, discovery, and the thrill of new experiences. Let's unpack how this archetype can take your brand to uncharted territories. The Explorer archetype is all about curiosity, independence, and self-discovery. It appeals to people who value freedom, adventure, and the journey itself over the destination. Explorer brands don't just sell products, they sell experiences and the promise of breaking free. These brands connect deeply with those who seek more from life, encouraging them to push boundaries and escape the mundane. The Explorer archetypes works wonders in brands in industries like travel, outdoor gear, adventure sports, and even personal development. If your audience dreams of escaping the routine and embracing adventure, this archetype can help you ignite that fire within them. Explorer brands position themselves as enablers, offering the tools, inspiration, or guidance needed to embark on a journey of discovery. Examples of brands using the Explorer archetype: Jeep, go anywhere, do anything. Jeep's tagline is the ultimate expression of the Explorer archetype. Campaigns like the Call of Adventure don't just showcase the car, they sell the promise of freedom and boundless exploration. Patagonia, the activist explorer. Patagonia doesn't just equip explorers, it stands for environmental sustainability, aligning its products with a higher purpose. Campaigns like Don't Buy This Jacket encourage conscious consumerism while reinforcing their values of exploration and preservation. 3. Airbnb, live anywhere. Airbnb takes the Explorer archetype beyond traditional level. Campaigns like Live Anywhere invite people to experience new cultures, explore the world, and redefine the meaning of home. How to apply the Explorer archetype to your brand. To make the Explorer archetype work for your brand, follow these practical steps. 1. Speak to the desire of freedom. Craft messaging that highlights breaking free and embracing the unknown. Use slogans like Adventure Awaits. 2. Focus on experiences. Position your brand as an enabler of unique journeys. For example, host events or offer products that help customers explore. 3. Use bold visuals. Showcase vast landscapes, untamed terrains, and adventure-packed moments. 4. Encourage user-generated content. Create campaigns inviting customers to share their experiences with your products. GoPro's #GoPro Awards is a great example. 5. Inspire with your CTAs. Replace mundane CTAs like Buy Now with Start Your Journey or Explore More. Inspire action through curiosity and adventure. By following these steps, you'll position your brand as a companion for explorers, creating a deeper connection with your audience. Ready to unleash your inner rebel? In the next video, we'll dive into the Outlaw, an archetype that breaks the rules and shakes the system. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.